Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making blueberries that I'm going to be using. These are fresh, but if you use frozen, go ahead. Using some salt, also my white sugar, my banana extract. Here I have my whipped cream. I couldn't find no heavy whipping cream, and I know y'all like, what store you went to? I know I can't find any of them. I guess everybody try me iced coffees. A latte is one of the others. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna use whipped cream and make one. Smart, ain't it? I'm also gonna be using my lemon, my green tea. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I'm gonna get started. Then I'm gonna make my cold foam first. So I'm gonna take some of my whipping cream in another cup and pour some in there. Like a lot, ain't it? Added more. My banana extract. A dash and a half. Pour some of this in here. Hopefully this get it started. Let's get it started. Alright, hopefully I should be able to shake it.
A few moments later.
Okay. Look good. This smells so good. Ooh. I feel like it don't really have no sweetness like that or anything. So I washed it with some vinegar and a little bit of lemon juice. But I also, after I rinsed, poured it out, I put a little bit more lemon juice. Just a little bit. And then I sprinkled some white sugar. I just let that sit for a few minutes. I'm going to take these little peels out, but I just wanted it to get more flavor. And I'm going to take this and put it in the pan. I took the peels out. I guess some of them got some rat tails on it. These stems. I think I only see one. Take that off. Hopefully it got enough sugar in there. I don't want to make it too sugary. That sounds weird coming from me. Say medium high. You would think it's at a party because after a few minutes it don't turn up. I'm talking about the heat and these blueberries. You see how it's like breaking down to, yes. Yeah, I'm going to pour a little bit more sugar. I'm going to turn it off really. And some of them still whole, so yeah. I'm going to take this. I'm just going to put this in here and let it cool. Let me taste it first. Yeah, This is good. I think about putting a pinch of salt to bounce it off. But I also decided, I know it ain't in the recipe, but it's going to be in my recipe, to put banana extract, yeah. Because I know some people say like the banana tastes like faint and then like they want a little bit more. Oh, I'm going to put a little bit inside of my coffee as well as the cold foam. Okay, that's enough. Alright, I'm going to put in the salt now. Try not to put too much. Mix it one more time. Ooh, tastes just like a banana blueberry. Combinations go good together. Let this cool down. Now she mix up as well. I filled the cup with ice. Now I'm gonna take some blueberry preserves that I made. Put some in here. I'm put some of my green tea. It's pretty good. Leave enough room to add some more. Now let me put the rest of my preserves. Now, but I've been hearing Dunkin but on their game with they I don't know if I really heard about the refreshers, but I know with the coffees. When I tell you this looks so pretty. Oh yes. Now I do want it more yellow, but it's okay. You can't tell me I ain't do my thing. Cause I did. And if you don't got no heavy whipping cream, use that whipped cream. Even if you got the cool. Call me NBA All-Stars because I'm dunking these recipes. Get it? Dunkin. And I say this looks so pretty. You can't tell me I get this from home. Now I haven't tried theirs and probably won't, but because if I was there, I'd get the iced coffee. Oh my gosh. This is like, I think I did hear some people say that. Maybe there's some like the coffee. This is like a banana, blueberry, and I do taste that green tea. It's not overly sweet though, but it's sweet enough for me. Yeah, I know because I did put the salt and the blueberries. Those blueberries. Okay, you know some of the blueberries still kind of like whole. It's just like a Laffy Taffy but with blueberry. I like banana a lot. Like banana pudding, I eat like desserts with banana. I like bananas. I want to say love, but I do like bananas a lot. However, like banana flavored things, not too much. Like with the Laffy Taffies, if I had one, I had to choose, banana would not be it. With the annihilators, just with different banana flavored things, even with banana nut bread. You know, see my channel, you probably won't. Like banana, I don't know. I like banana, but I don't know how to explain it. But this works. It tastes so refreshing because of the green tea and then the blueberries. But it also tastes like a little bit of sweetness. But with that banana, this is good. 10. 10 out there, baby. And I'm not saying because I made this. It's actually better than some of the iced coffee drinks that I made recently. Because if you've seen it, it was already high, like a 9.9 and stuff like that. But this is a 10. 10 all day, baby. Did you not hear me? Make this. You like blueberry things, banana things, even if you don't like it, give it a try. How would you know if you don't like it even if you tried it? Don't like it till you try it. This is good. God bless them.